Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds Cellularline FLICK. Firstly, we need to locate touch areas, and touch areas located at the back side of each earbud. Right here at the top we have it. Let me play some song. If you press one time at your left or right earbud, okay. If you press one time, you will play or pause the song. So let's check the right one. I just pause the song. The left one, it also works. Next, we have double press. If you double press at your right earbud, you will play next track. 1, 2. Here we go. To play previous track, you need to press 2 times at your left earbud. 1, 2. And it works. Then we have press and hold, and we have also a triple press. Let's get started with the triple press. So if you triple press at your left or right earbud, you will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe Gemini, or maybe Bixby. It depends. So let's check. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, Siri awake. Let's check the left one. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it worked. Okay, next we have press and hold. If you press and hold for at least 2 seconds, you will increase the volume, but you need to press and hold at your right earbud. Press and hold and release your finger. Press and hold and release your finger. Press and hold and release your finger. And we just increase it. Let's check the lower the volume, and we need to use the left earbud. Press and hold, release the finger. Press and hold, release. Press and hold, release. Now, what the most important, if you press and hold at your left and right earbuds for at least 3 seconds, not 2, you will turn off or turn on your earbuds. So be careful with it. Also, you can answer the call by press 1 time at your left or right earbud, and you can finish the call by press 1 time at your left or right earbud. And also, with the controls, we can perform a factory reset. With a factory reset, you can fix a lot of troubles with your earbuds. So what you need to do? You need to press 6 times at your right earbud, and then you will see a red LED light at your earbuds. If you don't see them, you need to press 6 times again. You made it in the bad way. Okay, and after you see the red LED light, you need to only reconnect your earbuds with your phone, and then you can use it. If you still don't know how to perform a factory reset, you can check video at this channel, we have it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!